So today I'm going to take you step by step on how to withdraw your money from Polymarket. Now we're going to go ahead and do this in real time. You can see on the bottom left hand side here, we are on our home tab. So from here, all we got to do is go over to the right hand side where you see portfolio. You should see a dollar amount in here. So let's click on this. And from here, this is going to take you to your overall account management for funds. And you can see here right in the center, there is a withdraw button with that up arrow. Let's go ahead and click right over here. Now this is going to take you to the withdraw section, and towards the center here, it will tell you how much you have available. If you click this little eye icon, this pop-up menu will show up here for you, letting you know how much cash is available, what might be available soon, and how much is totally available to withdraw here. So you can see for our example, we have 33 cents that is not currently available to withdraw. And it could be for a multitude of reasons, whether the trade is pending, maybe any bonuses are pending. So keep that in mind. If it is, it could take up to 4 business days. All right, so from here, we're going to click off that screen. And then here in the center, it's going to give you the amount that you would like to withdraw and then where you're sending it to. So for our example here today, let's go ahead and withdraw the $50.04 on this account. And here again, you can see in the center where it says, where do we want to send it to? If you click over here, it's going to show you all the accounts you have on file. We have a card on file right over here, but you can add a bank or a debit card. The card will typically get sent on the same day, where banks could take a couple of days. So go ahead and click on the card or bank you want to utilize. And that's going to fill in right over here in the center. And right underneath that, you're going to see the word withdraw in blue. Let's go ahead and click on this. And from here, you're going to see the withdraw process. You're going to see the date and the location and where that fund is going. If everything here looks good, click on done at the bottom. Now, there's always more to show you when it comes to using your financial apps, and we got you covered here. Check out our next video on screen to keep on learning.